The Turban Tornado, a life that ran beyond time. In the dusty lanes of rural Punjab, a boy was born in 1911, too weak to walk until he was 5. No one could have imagined this same boy would one day outrun history itself. He is Fauja Singh, the man the world came to know as the Turbaned Tornado. But before the titles, before the medals, there was only grief, a broken heart. After losing his wife and son, brought him to England at the age of 89. When most would surrender to sorrow, Fauja chose to run. He ran through pain, he ran through memory, he ran through 100 years of life with a childlike smile and the heart of a warrior. At 89, he ran his first marathon. At 100, he finished Toronto's race in over 8 hours. Not for glory, not for record books, but to show the world it's never too late to start living. Fauja Singh never had a birth certificate, so Guinness never recognized his records. But history did. The streets of London, Toronto, Hong Kong, they all bowed to the man whose spirit outran even time. And now, at 114, his journey has ended. Not with age, but a tragic hit and run on the soil of his motherland. A cruel end for a soul who only gave the world hope. But legends don't die. They echo in every footstep of every elder who laces up their shoes, in every tear of a son who sees his father rise again, in every heart that dares to begin again, no matter how late. He once said, "Running showed me kindness. It brought me back to life." And through his strides, he brought millions back to belief. Belief in second chances, in late beginnings, in healing, in hope. Fauja Singh didn't just run marathons. He ran through grief, past boundaries, and into our hearts. Today, he rests. But the tornado still moves. Not on roads, but in the winds of inspiration he left behind. Fauja Singh Ji, you taught us that age is just a number, grief is just a chapter, and life is a marathon worth running to the very end. Thank you for the race.